This year has seen robotic vacuums evolve from quirky household gadgets into indispensable cleaning powerhouses. From handling pet hair to scrubbing away dried-on stains, these machines are turning the tides in our battle against dirt. Let's dive into the best of the best and surprising features that will make you want to sit back, relax, and let the robots do all the work. Number 10. UV Clean L60. The Lighter Navigator. The UV Clean L60 is not your average robotic vacuum. It's a smart machine with advanced LiDAR technology, allowing it to create detailed maps of your home for precise cleaning. This means it doesn't randomly bump around, but instead follows an efficient cleaning path, avoiding obstacles with ease. If you're tired of vacuums that constantly get stuck on furniture legs or rogue shoes, the L60 is here to save the day. Its no-go zone feature lets you designate areas you'd rather the vacuum avoid, making it a customizable experience for any household. However, while its navigation is top-notch, you might find it slightly less effective at cleaning corners or handling particularly tricky spots like dense carpet areas or cluttered rooms. Number 9. Shark Ion Robot Vacuum AV753. The Quiet Worker. If your household values tranquility over anything else, the Shark Ion Robot Vacuum AV753 might be just what you need. One of the quietest robotic vacuums on the market, it won't disrupt your daily activities, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows or take a nap while it quietly hums along, vacuuming your floors. Beyond its peaceful operation, it's also quite efficient, navigating through various rooms and sucking up debris from both carpets and hardwood floors. However, while its low noise level is commendable, don't expect it to deep clean high-piled carpets or handle particularly messy pet hair situations. It's a dependable and discreet cleaning companion that does the job well in homes where a serene environment is key. Number 8. Roomba i7 Plus, the vacuum-only specialist. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is for those who want to get serious about vacuuming but don't need mopping functionality. This vacuum-only model is designed to excel at keeping dust and dirt at bay, whether it's from everyday traffic or your four-legged family members. What really sets the i7 Plus apart is its self-emptying feature, which allows it to autonomously dispose of its collected dirt into a larger bin at its docking station. This means you can forget about vacuuming for days, possibly even weeks. The smart mapping technology ensures the vacuum knows exactly where to clean, avoiding areas you've marked as no-go zones. However, while it's excellent at keeping open spaces tidy, don't rely on it to get into those tight corners or beneath low furniture as effectively. Number 7. iLife V3s Pro, the Corner Cruiser. The iLife V3s Pro is the underdog of the robotic vacuum world, offering a straightforward cleaning experience without all the techie bells and whistles. It's perfect for anyone who isn't interested in fiddling with apps or smart home integrations. Instead, the V3's Pro focuses on simplicity, with an easy setup and a remote control that's as intuitive as your old-school TV remote. It excels at reaching into low-clearance areas like under couches and beds, where dust bunnies love to hide. Its low-profile design helps it maneuver into spaces that taller models might miss. While it doesn't have the smartest navigation system, it gets the job done with daily maintenance cleaning, even if it requires a bit more manual oversight to keep it from getting stuck. Number 6. Eureka Groove. Budget-friendly, no-nonsense cleaning. For those on a budget, the Eureka Groove offers solid performance without the frills of higher-end models. It's the epitome of a no-nonsense robotic vacuum, handling everyday dirt and debris with minimal input from you. It uses bump navigation, which isn't as advanced as LiDAR, so it tends to rely on trial and error to get around your home. While this might sound inefficient, it still manages to cover the ground well and is surprisingly thorough in its cleaning. If you're not interested in investing in a premium model and don't mind occasionally rescuing it from getting stuck, the Eureka Groove is a reliable and affordable choice that will keep your floors decently clean without breaking the bank. Number 5. Wise Robot Vacuum, the mid-range contender. The Wise Robot Vacuum strikes a balance between affordability and advanced features, making it a strong contender in the mid-range market. It's equipped with LiDAR technology, allowing it to create detailed maps of your home for precise navigation. This feature is particularly handy for those with larger or more complex layouts, as it helps the vacuum move efficiently without missing spots. One downside, however, is that while it does well on hard floors, it can struggle with thicker carpets, especially when it comes to deep cleaning. Despite this, it's still a solid choice for those who want the convenience of a robotic vacuum without splurging on a high-end model. Number 4. Proscenic Flubat X1 Budget Hero. When it comes to budget robotic vacuums that don't sacrifice functionality, the Proscenic Flubat X1 is a standout option. It offers impressive performance for its price, handling both vacuuming and mopping duties with ease. The Flubat X1 excels in open spaces with minimal clutter, where its navigation system doesn't have to work too hard. Although it struggles with more complex room layouts and sometimes misses small obstacles, it compensates with strong suction power and decent mopping capabilities. Plus, its ability to detect different flooring types and adjust its cleaning method accordingly makes it a smart choice for homes with a mix of surfaces. It's not perfect, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Number 3. Robotic S8 Plus The Stain Fighter. If you're prone to spills and stubborn stains, the Robotic S8 Plus has your back. This robotic vacuum doesn't just glide over surfaces, it actively scrubs them with its ultrasonic mopping system, making it ideal for homes with hard floors that see a lot of action. Whether it's a dried-up juice spill or your pet's muddy paw prints, the S8 Plus tackles it with gusto. It's also equipped with a twin roller cleaning head, which is designed to handle pet hair more effectively than single rollers. The self-emptying dustbin is just the cherry on top, allowing you to go longer without having to empty the vacuum manually. While it's a bit on the pricier side, its performance makes it worth every penny, especially for busy households. Number 2. Ecovacs Debit T20 Omni. The Mopping Maestro. The Ecovacs Debit T20 Omni takes robotic cleaning to a new level, especially for those with homes full of hard floors. Its standout feature is its hot water mop pad washing system, which not only ensures your floors are spotless, but also keeps the mop pads clean and ready for the next job. This means less maintenance for you and consistently better cleaning results. It's particularly effective in homes with lots of open space, where it can move freely without getting caught in obstacles. However, its large size means it's not the best option for smaller apartments or homes with lots of furniture. Still, for those who prioritize mopping, the Debit T20 Omni is an absolute winner. Number 1. iRobot Roomba Combo G7 Plus, the CEO of Clean. At the top of the robotic cleaning hierarchy sits the iRobot Roomba Combo G7 Plus, a machine so smart it could probably write its own cleaning report. This robot doesn't just vacuum, it also mops, making it a versatile option for homes with a mix of carpets and hard floors. The Combo G7 Plus is equipped with advanced sensors that help it detect different surfaces, ensuring it cleans each one appropriately. Plus, its obstacle avoidance system is second to none, dodging everything from shoes to pet bowls. Its self-emptying bin means you won't have to worry about dirt for weeks, and the overall ease of use makes it feel like you have a personal cleaning assistant. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more smart home tips. After all, who wouldn't want a little robot sidekick handling the mess? Trust me, your floors and your sanity will thank you.